Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete Google account. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete your Google account, all you need to do is go ahead and search for Google on your mobile app and then open the Google app. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Locate and click on Manage your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts on your phone, click on this drop menu and select the Google account you want to manage. Now, while on this page, you want to go ahead until you get where you see Data and Privacy and then click on it. Once you selected Data and Privacy, you want to hang on for this page to load. Now, scroll down, just keep scrolling, keep scrolling until you get to Delete your Google account. So, click on that. Once you click on Delete your Google account, hang on a couple of seconds for Google to load your data and then for Google to verify your Google account. Use your PIN, fingerprint, and if you are prompted to type your password, go ahead and do just that. Now you should see delete your account. To delete your Google account, just scroll down and make sure you check all necessary information you want to remove from Google, including your photos, like that. And once you are done, go ahead and click on delete account at the bottom right. Once you click on delete account, this is going to delete your Google account. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.